Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. And what we're unboxing is some jewelry. This jewelry comes to us from a company called Melanin Girlies. This company contacted me and decided to send me a piece of jewelry from their website. Now that that is out of the way, let us begin. The jewelry that I got is a ring, and it is a gorgeous moonstone ring with a rose gold band. Everything from this company is naturally sourced, all naturally sourced gemstones, moonstones, and diamonds. What I got was a moonstone. It's the Goddess a book ring, if I hope I'm pronouncing that right. A book. If my research is correct, the moonstone is for the divine feminine, so I'm super excited to see this one. The company is located here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, so shipping was like super fast. When I got my shipping notification in like a day or two, it got to my mailbox. I do want to read you the confirmation, the shipping confirmation that I got. It was the cutest thing. Here it is. Okay, so you get the order confirmation, right? And it says, thank you for your purchase. Hi Lori, with a bunch of emojis, the cutest thing in the world. There's a big party happening at Melanin Girlies right now. Our hearts are bursting with joy. Our cheeks hurt so much from smiling so wide. It's all because of you. Lori, our world just got a little brighter. Can you feel the love pouring from our hearts to yours? We get so happy and over the top excited each time we have the opportunity to service you. Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for your trust in us. We celebrate you. We trust that you are partying with us, Lori. The best part of this party for us is that we get to do one of our most favorite things, getting your order shipped to you. Our second favorite part of this party is welcoming you into our hearts to party with us. I loved that. I loved that they took the time, even if it's a copy and paste, one of those awesome messages, which I think it is, but the details, the compliments, the adoration, the warmth, the love, I highly appreciated that. And the ring that I got, again, it's the Goddess a book ring. It's $138. Taxes is $9.03. It has all the information there in the confirmation email that you get. And that was on Monday. On Tuesday, I got that my shipment was on the way, and it sent me the tracking number, and again, another super cute message from them. And then it let me know when I got my ring. Okay, so let's continue. So it came in this pink bubble bag. On the inside, you have the box itself. It comes in a super cute pink gift box. The ribbon does have their logo on it, or their, it says Melanin Girlies. You get, what is this? This is the packing list. So it tells you what you ordered. It has your address, your billing, all that good stuff, your order number, the address to contact them, all that good stuff. Then you have a cute list of thank you card. Here's the thing. I live for a good thank you card. Big companies, small companies, listen to me. Packaging, the detail, everything. It came in this translucent envelope like so. Let me get back into the lights. Translucent envelope. It does have like a ribbon on the front, and then that, that like the stamp press that they, like back in the day, they would dip it in the wax and then dip it on the thing like a seal. That on there with their logo MG. So we slide that off. We open the little envelope. To the thank you card, it says, thank you. Our heart's desire is to love, honor, respect, cherish, and celebrate you. We hope your jewelry serves as a reminder of the divinity within you. You were created to love and be loved. You have a divine purpose for being on earth. God made you, God loves you, God believes in you. You are the expression of God's love and light. And then it has all their social media and the website. This is the cutest, sweetest thing. This is branding 101, top notch. Love that for them. Now the reason why you're here. So you get the box. It is a magnetic clasped box, but to open it, you have to undo the ribbon. I did already do a little video, and I tried to redo the ribbon on there, so that's God. So you open it, and then that is that there. At the top, it does have the name and the logo of the company, and that is the ring. Like I said, it is a gorgeous moonstone. Moonstone is one of the more delicate stones out there. It is, like I said, a rose gold band, super, super pretty. With the moonstone, there isn't a lot of clarity like a diamond has. With the moonstone, again, it's a very delicate. So if you wanted to get this as an engagement ring, probably wouldn't recommend because it is so delicate. This ring, I feel like if you were to get it for a gift, it'd be perfect for water signs. So that's Cancers, Pisces, Scorpios, even Libras, even though Libra is an air sign, I believe. It's freaking gorgeous. I got this in a size 7. It's not super tight, it's not loose, it's not like, you know, flying off of my hand anytime soon. I love this. Look at me. Listen to me. This is gorgeous. I hope you can see, I hope you can listen to me. It's gorgeous. I love it. Is it all moonstone or is it diamonds around it? Wait, I have to, let me see something. Because I didn't notice that there's like a band, a row of stones around the moonstone itself. So 14 karat rose gold and natural moonstone. Okay, it doesn't say anything about the gems around it. It could be diamonds. No, I don't think they're diamonds. But this is so pretty and so feminine and so, yes. Again, the goddess of book. Let me see if that name has a particular meaning, or did they come up with that name? A book is the first woman in the midst of the Dinka people of South Sudan and the Nuer of South Sudan and Ethiopia who call her book or a call. So she is a mythological person, an actual goddess. I need to do some research. I need to find out more. But the ring is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to grab yours, don't forget that I do have a discount code for you guys in the description bar. So you can grab yourself one. And we can be ring twins. She's gorgeous, babes. She's absolutely gorgeous. 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you're looking into adding jewelry to your collection, here you go, melaningirlies.com. I would recommend you get jewelry if you're, you know, building a jewelry collection, to get jewelry from people, from companies who specialize in jewelry making. Like I personally, I know the Louis Vuitton hoops are in right now and all of these things. I wouldn't purchase it because Louis Vuitton is known for their handbags and shoes, I guess, but mainly handbags, right? So yeah, if you're going with jewelry, go with Tiffany, go with Cartier, companies that make jewelry. Melanin Girlies is now added to that list. Super gorgeous. If you have any questions for me, if you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below. If you have a moonstone ring or plan on purchasing a moonstone ring, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like my hair has been weird. Until next time, peace, sun, and kissy face. Bye.